Do you want to learn how to report a user on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it.
So first head over to BlueSky app or website, and in here, find a user that you want to report. For example, this one, I'm going to go inside it, click on these three dots, and then you're going to find report account. Click on this, and it says this, report this user. Why should this user be reviewed? You've got all of these options. You can choose them. Let's say, for example, I choose one of them. I go inside it. It says select the moderation services to report to. We only have this one. And this thing is this BlueSky moderation service. And you can also go here by going to settings, and inside settings, go to moderation. Inside moderation, you will find BlueSky moderation service under advanced. This is the same thing which we have checked over here. Now you can provide more information as to why they should review this account. You can put the text here and send report. Also, if this person is currently in a copyright violation, you can click on this, view details. And it's going to take you over to this page where it says copyright policy. Scroll down and you'll find copyright request form. Inside copyright request, BlueSky, you can just fill in the form here. Why do you want the content to be removed? You can just fill the whole form and then submit it. And that's it. This is how you can report a user on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.